Welcome guys, welcome back to another 3 a.m. video. Today we got animal throw-up right over here. So I got this from the dark web for $500 because this potion is very effective. The story is one guy had a pill. He got it from the dark web for $2,500. His animals ate something poisonous that they wasn't supposed to eat, so he gave him it. And then they started throwing up at 3 a.m., which was a sheep, cow, pig, and a goat. And here it is right over here. He boiled it and exfoliated it, added a little bit of hay in it, and made this potion. The guy who tested it out died, and that's why this potion is $500. So let's go try and see what happens. Alright guys, that tasted really bad. That had a funky taste. It made my ears feel thumpy and heavy. I'll go see what I will do in 3 a.m. Honestly guys, I'm getting kind of tired. I'll just go to bed. Alright guys, I'm sleeping on the floor and my stomach feels kind of weird. Let's go see what happens. So it's right now 1 a.m. No, I'm at 3 a.m. It's effective for 30 minutes. Right now it's 3:10, so at 3:40 stuff will happen. Let's go see what happens. Throw up. The heck? Why is there a chair on me? Oh man, I feel kind of funky right now. It says after you wake up, 5 minutes, you'll feel perfectly fine. But during the 5 minutes, you'll feel funky. I'm gonna see who put a chair on me. Alright guys, it's been 5 minutes, and after them 5 minutes, I checked the video, and the chair was moving by itself. Oh my god, guys. This potion should never, ever be tried. This animal throw-up is not safe. But since it's not 3 a.m., I'm gonna drink even more. Alright guys, see you in the next video.